Hello friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and you are watching the Engineering Master, the finest way to learn the concept of physical and electrical. So watch this video till the last and you are able to get all the information regarding this job. So there is one more job in Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO. The post for Junior Research Fellow, JRF. Okay, so the education qualification needed, that is BE Tech in first division with valid GATE score, or ME Tech in first division, both graduate and postgraduate levels. Okay, so discipline: computer science, IT, electronic communication, electronic telecommunication, electronic and instrumentation, applied instrumentation, and instrumentation engineering. So number of vacancy for computer science and IT is 1, and other field, electronics field, that is 4. Okay, so date of interview will be intimated later to the shortlisted candidate only. Okay, so how to apply? Interested candidate with qualification and above are invited the application. Okay, so application are invited in the PDF also available with the website drdo.gov.in. I will give the description in my description box. You can directly go there and fill the form. Okay, in the soft copy along with certificate of testimonial at hrd at itr.drdo.in. So you have to fill the form and send the soft copy scanned. Okay, so you have to fill the form by hand and send scanned copy and test and your certificates at hrd at itr.drdo.in. Okay, so they have to subscribe the subject and block letter application for the post of JRF. Okay, so you have to write the subject in the mail, that application for the post of JRF. It is important to the candidate to submit the application form and supporting document at the attachment in a single PDF only. So fill you have to fill the form and along with your scanned document and make one PDF, single PDF, and mail to them. Okay, so the application form should be type written and scanned as PDF after signature. So you have to type your application and then sign your application, then scan. Okay, so please watch this video till the last and you are able to get all the information regarding this. So what you have to do, you have to type your application, then the application format is given in the DRDO's website and you can directly go with the description box. So you have to type the application, after that you have to print out, then sign that application, then scan all the documents and then application. After that make one PDF all the documents and application and send to the mail ID. Okay, with the subject of application, the post of JRF. Okay, so candidate working of government public sector should attach NOC. Okay, if you are working somewhere government department, you have to attach the NOC. Incomplete partially filled application would not be acceptable. Important informations are: the last date is 9th July. Okay, the walk-in interview will be conducted through video conferencing. Okay, so walk-in interview will be done by video conferencing and sent to shortlist candidate regarding VC mode and video conferencing mode, data, timing of interview. The interview will be online. The only candidate who have shortlist application along supporting document and shortlist after scrutiny will be allowed to walk in interview. Candidate should be possession the valid email ID. The age limit is 28 years, so your age should not be more than 28 years, and age relaxation for SC/ST as per the government rule. Okay, now fellowship enrollment will be 31,000 per month. Okay, for JRF as applicable through by the HRA. Now JRF, the post of temporary and maximum for 5 years. The maximum this post is maximum for 5 years and SRA after 2 years. Okay, initially tenure will be 2 years and will be subsequently the elaborated SRF for the remaining 3 years. 2 years you will be as a JRF and after 2 years you will be SRF, that is senior research fellow. Okay, all communication will be made by email only. It may be pleased to noted that offer the fellowship does not confer, the candidate may write the option of DRO. So this is not a permanent job for DRDO. This is temporary job, but JRF is a very good job for any for freshers. Okay. So the selected candidate need to bring original certificate, proof, date of birth, mark sheet, gate net certificate. Okay. No TADA will be paid for attending interview. Last date of submission application along with the supporting document in single PDF through email is hrd.itr.drdo.in is 9/7/2021. So last date is 9 July 2021, and this is the application format. So you will get this at the DRDO website only. So please subscribe and share this channel for more videos. Thank you. Good day and take care.